Welcome back to PaceLawFirm.com. Joined once again by Pat DeLuisio, lawyer at Pace Law Firm. Pat, today we're going to talk about something that you wrote in a very interesting blog, which I'll put the address of the blog up on the screen right now. A very interesting blog post that you had on optional coverage, which actually was, I don't know about frightening, but it was certainly interesting that people may not know that things have changed for car insurance in Ontario and they better take a look at their policy.
Yes, things changed September 1st, 2010 in Ontario when it comes to accident benefits. Many of the coverages that people assumed were part of their benefits package are no longer mandatory. They are optional coverages that you have to purchase, and it's important that people inform themselves.
Can you give a little general idea of what some of these optional coverages are that used to be mandatory?
A coverage that used to be in many policies was housekeeping and home maintenance, where you would receive assistance in your home, and it could be assistance from a friend or family member, and you would be compensated for it. That's no longer the case. You have to purchase that as an optional coverage in your policy in order to be covered for that option. There are other optional coverages such as income loss benefits. They are still part of your standard policy. However, there is an option to increase the amount that you're covered for. Many people aren't aware of these options, and so they don't take advantage of them. They're either not being informed by their brokers or not informing themselves properly, and finding out when it's too late that their coverage only covers them for minimal amounts.
What do you suggest people do that are watching this video right now? Should they go and get their insurance policy, go over it with a fine-tooth comb, or how do you think they should look at it?
I think they should look at their policy. I think it's important that you know what your coverage is. That's the only way you can make a decision on if you need more coverage or not. You should definitely speak to your broker if you have one, a broker, or an insurance agent for the company that you have insurance with to understand what your policy covers, what options are available to you. There is the Insurance Bureau of Canada, who has a website that explains much of this to you. It explains both of the changes and what options may or may not be available to you in your province, and what route you need to take in order to take advantage of these options.
So you mentioned the website that people can go to find out about this stuff. You also mentioned that people should talk to their insurance broker. People may be watching this video and wondering, can they call you and talk about it?
Well, they can call me and ask me basic questions. I'm not an insurance broker, but I can certainly inform them as to what benefits they should be concerned with, what benefits might apply to their life situation. Unfortunately, most people call me when it's too late, when they've been injured and they find out that the benefits aren't available. Mm-hmm. It would be important that you take those initial steps when you're first looking to buy insurance, that you speak to a broker, inform yourself. Contacting a lawyer never hurts.
Okay, great. Pat, thanks for coming by. We'll talk to you again soon. Pat's contact details up on the screen right now, and we'll see you next time at PaceLawFirm.com. Bye-bye.